In this video, we will show you two different ways of installing Summit XPS insulation board. You'll need the following materials and tools for this installation. Keep the following in mind before you start the installation. You can pause the video now to read through these. Method 1. Installing Summit XPS insulation board as a nail-up ceiling. Start by nailing the brandering to the trusses a maximum of 700 mm apart, extending across to the trusses and around the perimeter of the room. Make sure the brandering is level. Once the brandering is fitted, cut the Summit XPS insulation board sheets to the length of the room, leaving a 5 mm gap between the insulation board and each wall. Fix the initial panel to the perimeter brandering with drywall screws and washers at intervals of about 300 mm. As you work your way from one side of the room to the other, apply 5 ml of Summit XPS adhesive along the brandering at intervals of about 200 mm. Break out a little of the top of the groove at each intersection of the brandering to fit a concealed clip into the edge of the Summit XPS insulation board. Fix the clip with a screw into the brandering, pressing upwards to ensure the adhesive makes contact. Now, fit the insulation board using the tongue and groove joints. Trim the final board and fit to complete the installation. Finish off the perimeter with one of the many available Summit XPS cornice profiles. Once the installation is complete, wipe all surfaces and apply 2 coats of water-based matte PVA paint for a clean finish. Method 2. Installing Summit XPS insulation board between trusses. Start by nailing the brandering to the trusses at intervals of approximately 300 mm. If the space between the trusses exceeds 750 mm, add an extra brandering in the center. Fit the perimeter brandering across the trusses to finish. Fix the Summit XPS insulation board to the brandering across horizontally. Apply 5 ml of Summit adhesive along the brandering at intervals of about 200 mm. Press the Summit XPS insulation board firmly onto the adhesive. Secure it with a screw, ensuring it goes into the brandering. If additional brandering was used in the center, use a Summit clip to secure the Summit XPS insulation board centrally to the brandering. Now, fit the rest of the Summit XPS insulation board using the tongue and groove joints. Finish off the perimeter with cover strips or one of the many available Summit XPS cornice profiles. Once the installation is complete, wipe all surfaces and apply 2 coats of water-based matte PVA paint for a clean finish. Care and maintenance. You can pause the video now to read through these. We hope this installation guide has been helpful. Visit our website for more information.